Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesusjunkjournals, and I'm getting ready to start on this Corinthians journal. So I've got my main kit out here and the pages, and so the first thing I'm going to do before I trim them or anything is I'm going to flip them over and I'm going to put some gesso on the backs. And I probably won't do them all, but I'm going to try and do at least 10 of the 15 probably, because I want to play around, have a good time with everything, and gesso will keep a lot of your art supplies from seeping through the paper and ruining the other side. So I'm going to do that, and I've got a bunch of different gessos I'm going to use. Got clear, white, I think I have black somewhere. So I'm just going to go ahead and start putting that on. I think I might just add some water to that. It's pretty thick and has been in there for a while. That one came from Walmart. Probably be easier to open and shut if I'd clean my threads like Tim Holtz always tells us to do. And I'm just going to use an old chip brush, cheap chip brush. This also, if you put gesso on your paper, this will also allow, if you use the distress oxides, they will react and give you a lot better outcome if you use gesso under them first. So I've got these silicone mats that I bought on Amazon. I'm hoping this gesso will come off of them. I've got some paint on them, and I've cleaned them, but I haven't cleaned them since I put the paint on them. So I just want to see. I don't know. It's silicone, so I'm guessing everything comes off, but this is going to be a test because gesso pretty much covers and sticks to everything. So this is also going to add a texture to it because it's kind of thick, and you can see the lines, the brush marks on it. And I don't mind that. Okay, and once again, I thought I had the camera on, and I did not. And so I just basically mixed a bunch of different paint and made designs and patterns on these papers. So I'll just show you what I did, just kind of as a starting point, and no rhyme or reason. Now this was from the add-on kit. It's these tags, and I know that I'm going to want design on the back of the tags. So I went ahead and gessoed that part of the page, and I went ahead and painted it with pattern. But these are just the pages from the journal, the rest of these that I've just started to just kind of have some color. I did more of a solid color on that. Looks like my gesso is working pretty well. Let's see, that one, and so I used this wax paper palette, and I used like that quinacridone nickel azo gold, which is this really pretty like yellow brown, really intense color. And then I used this muted pink. It's just cameo pink from Apple Barrel Paint from Walmart, and I used my orange that I had mixed up, and I just put a little bit out there, and I would just take my brush and kind of mix it and make a pattern, mix a little bit different color, make a little bit more. So you can see where they're just kind of smushing together, just to keep going. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to let these all dry, and that will be it for this video, and I will come back on the next one. We'll do some more.